In this question, you're given 3 vertices of a triangle. You're asked to find the incenter. So to find the incenter, first you need to find the values of the sides of the triangle. So let us take that this vertex is A, this vertex is B, this vertex is C. So what is the length small a? Small a is nothing but the distance between B and C. That is 20 minus 0, 20 square plus 7 minus of minus 8 is 7 plus 8. That is 15 square. That is equal to, if you take a 5 common, you get root of, this is 5 square times 4 square. 4 square plus 3 square, that is 25. So 5 into 5 is 25. So if I want the length of the side B is nothing but length of AC. So minus 36 minus 0, that is minus 36 whole square plus 7 plus 8 whole square, 15 square. That is equal to, so if you take a 3 common, so 3 times root of, so this is 3 into 12, so 12 square plus 5 square, this is nothing but 13. 13 times 3 is 39. Next, the vertex, the side C is nothing but the distance between A and B. 36, 20 plus 36, 56 square plus 7 minus 7 is 0, 0 square is equal to 56. So you got all the 3 sides A, B, C. Now the formula for incenter is A times x1 is 25 times minus 36 plus B times x2 39 times 20 plus C times x3 0 by A plus B plus C, 25 plus 39 plus 56. And what is the y coordinate? Again A y1 25 times 7 plus B y2 39 times 7 again plus 56 times minus 8 by 25 plus 39 plus 56. So you can try to calculate these values. 56 into 0 is 0. So you have 1 0 here. Next, 25 into 36, 39 into 20. You can just calculate these values. It turn out to be minus 1 and this will turn out to be 0. So the incenter of the triangle ABC is minus 1, 0. So I hope you learned how to apply the formula. A times x1 plus B times x2 plus C times x3 by A plus B plus C. Next, A times y1 plus B times y2 plus C times y3 by A plus B plus C. So minus 1, 0 is the incenter of the triangle. Thank you.